Hello guys and welcome to Money Making Today. This strategy is gonna make wonders, okay? This is the amount of money that I've got last week with the help of it, so you can do the same, guys. You can do the same thing, just hit that subscribe and follow the steps. Let's go. First of all, we're going to go to this website, which is called Money Pantry, okay? So this is a money pantry, and you can see that you can earn and you can save more money. Now, what these guys are doing is that they are doing some personal finance blog with a focus on helping you earn and save more money, okay? So you just have to take something into consideration. This is not a get-rich-quick site, okay? So this is something that you can work at home and you can consider this as a side hustle, okay? There are unusual ways of making money online here, and I'm gonna tell you all about that. Money Pantry is really good, okay? Money Pantry helped me to get like $1,000 in only 2 weeks, and I finally got to a point where I even earn more. So what do you have to do when you come on this website? You have to go and you have to make yourself an account, of course. And if you click on earn money, you will see that you will just go and you can just write certain articles, okay? You will write certain things like these blogs and you are gonna get the money, okay? So this is what these guys are doing. They are doing that personal finance blog and it allows you to get the money, okay? There's also this website which is called Text Broker and you can sell the articles there, but firstly we need to write those. And I have two special softwares which is gonna write the work for you, okay? It does all the work, you just get the money. Now the website is called create.com and you can see that it will do the content for you, okay? So it is artificial intelligence and it will create engaging content for your site in under 90 seconds, okay? So this is a really good thing. So you just enter a few keywords and then it's writing the article for you, okay? Or a blog post or whatever you want, okay? And to be totally honest, this will work all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you come from, you can still get that money, okay? And you can get a lot of money if you apply yourself and if you invest your time in it. So Money Pantry is gonna give us money, okay? But what about these different articles? This create cannot make all of it, okay? You can make something, but this is only the start. What we can do is we can go to Google News, and Google News is a website which gathers all the news online, worldwide, on one place, okay? So you can see that you have different categories. You have US, world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And you can involve yourself into any one of these. All of them can make you money. And Money Pantry is gonna accept all of them as well. So let's just take a look at this. Let's choose a niche for ourselves. Let's choose, for example, I don't know, maybe science. And when you click on science, you will have these like subcategories. And maybe you can choose environment, or maybe you can choose wildlife. Wildlife is good. And then you can just choose which one of these you want to get yourself involved with, okay? But for that personal finance blog, maybe business would be better, but let me just show you this in action. So when you are, for example, when you click on this article, you will be redirected to the website where it was originally posted, okay? So that's gonna be it, okay? You will be redirected and suddenly you have the news. But you can't just go and copy all of this article and just paste it over there on Money Pantry or wherever. You have to make a bit of a configuration, okay? You have to change a bit. So let me just show you what you can do. You can, for example, take this sentence and just copy this, and then you should go over to spinbot.com. Now, this is a software which is, of course, free, but it's gonna rewrite your text, okay? So you can see that Spinbot is a free automatic article spinner, okay? And all that you have to do is you have to paste the text on this left-hand side here, and then click on Basic Spin. And what's this gonna do? It is gonna rewrite the text. The meaning of the text is going to stay the same, but the words are going to get rearranged. So all of a sudden, you have an originally written article for yourself. You don't have to pay for it, but you can go and sell it, okay? So this is how we avoid those copyright issues, okay? So you can see that this was the storm brought powerful waves along the east coast of Florida, which caused significant erosion and led to several buildings collapsing. Now you can see the main thing. Now it has become the tempest brought strong waves along the east bank of Florida, which made critical disintegration and drove a few structures imploding. So you can see the meaning is kind of same. It means the same, but the words are rearranged. So it's an original thing. Now all that you have to do is you have to go and do this for a whole article. I suggest going like passage by passage, like this is gonna be enough. And then you should go over and open Google Doc. Google Doc is a free document, and then you can just open blank, and then you can paste that in here, okay? And then make a really, really nice article. Then what you can do is head over to Money Pantry and sell it. But there is also this website which is called Constant Content, okay? And if you land on this website, all that you have to do is you have to go on Writers, Earn, and Learn. And you will have an amazing opportunity lying in front of you guys. If you scroll a bit down, you will see that top writers make over $90,000 per year. Now that's a lot of money, guys. $90,000 per year, and you don't do nothing, okay? You just copy and paste those articles, okay? This is what is amazing. And if you just take like, I don't know, maybe you take these 90,000 bucks and you divide that by 12 months. Now just take a look at how much money you can get each month. $7.5 thousand. Now, what are you waiting for? I don't understand. I mean, $7.5 thousand, and all you do is you go over to googlenews.com. You choose something, some article or something like that, whichever article you want. Then you just go over to spinbot.com. You make it original with the help of this software. And then you head over to Constant Content, and they pay you a lot of money for it. So that's all that you have to do. Writing articles is the thing of the past. Now you can just copy and paste, and you can get $90,000 per year, okay? That's a lot of money, guys. So I highly suggest that you do this. Just take that action. You can, of course, use this create.com and it is going to generate, but it is more work on your side. Whereas Google News has all of these already done. You only need to rearrange the words, and you can choose health, you can choose any other niche, whichever you want. Nutrition, fitness, these are popular, these in particular. So you can choose for yourself. What do you want to do, okay? Do what you love. Constant Content is there for us. It is going to give us a lot of money, as you were able to see, $90,000 per year. Now, that's an amazing opportunity for anyone, okay? And it doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter how old are you. You can do this and you can get the money. Now, go out there, take that action, guys, and I'll catch you later.